Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, let's go ahead and start it up. We've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Also comes with the convenience package, which is going to give you garage door openers and a auto dimming rear view mirror. Backup camera. Aluminum trim, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 4,474 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.